Ella will be joining me. Say hi! And welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening this, and this. I got it from Target if you want to get them. This one is called Wrapples. Ella, which one do you want to open first? She wants to open this one first. You want to do the kitty last? I guess. I think I'm going to need scissors for this. But I guess I could do without scissors. You see the open space over here? Like, I don't know if you can see it, but it has no plastic in there. And by the way, I lost my tooth. Hi. No. Out of the way. I think I got it. See? Made a hole. Isn't she cute? She's really funny. Trust me. If you're her sister, you just laugh forever. And by the way, guys, I'm wearing a choker. You know the green ones glow in the dark. You could lay down like this. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. I think I'm going to be watching Ella while I figure this out. This my dad helped me open this. That was a rush. how she sits down. What happens if you pet it? They're orange. It goes on their arm. How do you get that? It's so cute! How do you turn this thing off? Is there any way to turn this off? This is going to be on for the video. Okay, now we will be opening the cat. I opened this and it has a this on it. Like, what's it called? Oh yeah, brush. That will never turn off. I'm sorry, but I don't know how to turn this off, so it's gonna be on. If you like the sound or if it bothers you a little bit, I'm sorry, because I don't know how to figure this out. You can play with the brush. Ella can play with the brush. Now she loves the brush. Figure this out too. Slap, wrapper, slap. Now I have two things that you can wrap on your arm. This one goes faster than before. Oh, this one goes upside down. Oh, she knows that's a brush. Here, brush this one. The nose, if you can see. It's like, and this, I have no idea how to turn this thing off. It's like, I guess you just leave it alone, do nothing, then it just turns off by itself, I guess. But I love that! And that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. These cats are so cute. I mean, yeah, the animals, the toys, they're really cute. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button. The bell button. Bye! Say bye, Ella. And don't forget to, oh yeah, I already said click the bell button and subscribe and give a thumbs up. Bye! Bye! Bye!